Temperatures could exceed highs of 30 degrees Celsius in places, with 37 or even 38 degrees possible. And the spell of exceptionally hot and humid weather is forecast to continue for the next 2 days.
We need this one, another one.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I have a, is that raspberry one?
This one?
Yeah.
Seven.
Oh, welcome. Also, some antibacterial for... Smile, everyone.
And we can put,
No, see, it's good for me too.
good.
Verity can do it, I can.
That's pretty good.
Oh, hit the top.
Yeah.
And run away from their house. They run away, they run away home. And the mother said, don't run away home. And they all said, no, I won't come back home to you because I'm being too naughty to you. So to be too naughty to you children. I'm building too much houses and I'm too